Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video about my living room makeover and also my dining room makeover. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I encourage you to do so. Well, let's get started with this video for today. So this is the before living room. As you can see, the colors, it has dark borders. So we're gonna paint the borders in white and we're gonna paint the walls a light blue. So let's get started with the painting. As you can see, we already painted the door in white and we started painting also the borders in white, and we also started painting the walls in blue. So here everything is already painted and we put in the furniture. So this is a fire case that we bought in Amazon. In the furniture we also bought it in Amazon. This little table we also bought it in Amazon. There's a lot of great deals in Amazon. And this is the after result of the new furniture, the walls painted, the curtains. So this is the final look of this new living room. We just have to get a few more decorations for the wall, which I'm probably gonna order from Amazon or other places. If you know of any good places that I can order decorations for the wall, you can leave it down below in the comment section and I will take a look. We're also renovating other parts of the home, the bedrooms. So I will also make videos on the bedrooms, the before and after. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So right here is the dining room. We're going to show you the before and also the after. So we started painting also the walls. The walls are gray, but we started painting them blue, and the borders is also a dark color. So we're gonna paint the borders in white. So stay tuned for the after of this project. So this is the dining room table. We are setting it up. We're taking everything out from the boxes. These are the pieces that we have to put together so we can make the table. It's a pretty long table and I also order it from Amazon. It's a really nice color, and the chairs, they also match the furniture in the living room. And yeah, let's get started with this video. So this is how the table looks. It's like a silver color, and then the chairs, they're going to be blue. So this is the after of our dining room. So these are the chairs. They are blue. They're also like the couches in the living room. We're almost done painting the dining room, but we're not there yet. We're only missing a few places, and we also have to put decorations to the dining room. When we have the decorations, then I will make another video with the decorations. Well, thanks for watching my video, and if you like this type of videos, comment down below and I will make more videos for before and after renovations.